Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to download and install the Boom Beach application on your Android device. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open the Google Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom center of the screen and in the search bar at the top type in Boom Beach. After you look for the Boom Beach application in the search result, look for this one over here from Supercell and tap on install. Wait for the Boom Beach app to install, which will take several minutes, and after it is done, you can start playing the game. Once it is installed, tap on the play button to launch open the game and enjoy. So that's how you easily download and install Boom Beach on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.